Risk management and internal audit professionals have been talking about ChatGPT. Many are curious about how it can enhance risk management and internal audit work, be it risk assessment or report writing. If you haven't heard of it, where have you been? Are you curious about these questions? How can risk management and internal audit professionals leverage ChatGPT? What are ChatGPT limitations? What are the risks of using ChatGPT in risk management and internal audit work? Should risk management and internal audit be concerned that ChatGPT would replace them in their organizations? The new language technology is a big leap forward, but are you ready to take advantage of its rapid development, leverage its capabilities, and address its risks? Top 5 challenges in audit reporting and risk assessment. Data complexity. This can affect the accuracy and completeness of risk assessment and reporting. Subjectivity. This can lead to inconsistent evaluations, impacting reliability and comparability of reported risks. Communication barriers. Effective communication of risk assessment findings and their implications to non-technical stakeholders can be a challenge, leading to misunderstandings and misaligned actions. Inadequate tools and technology. This can hinder efficient data collection, analysis, and reporting, impacting the accuracy and timeliness of risk assessment and reporting processes. Resource constraints. This can impede thorough risk assessment and comprehensive reporting, potentially overlooking critical risks. Here's our solution for you. Utilize ChatGPT data analysis to process complex datasets, providing insights for risk assessment. Incorporate ChatGPT data-driven analysis to standardize risk assessment criteria and reduce subjectivity. Use ChatGPT to generate clear risk assessment summaries, aiding communication with non-technical stakeholders. Integrate ChatGPT for data extraction and analysis, enhancing technological capabilities for risk assessment. Automate routine tasks with ChatGPT, optimizing resource utilization for in-depth risk assessment and reporting. Our one-day practical application of ChatGPT in risk management and internal audit course provides participants with a focused understanding of how ChatGPT, a cutting-edge language model, can be effectively used in risk management and internal audit processes. There will be mini lectures, interactive discussions, and practical exercises using ChatGPT for risks and internal audit tasks. When you attend, you will be able to understand the fundamentals of ChatGPT technology and its potential, applications in risk management and internal audit. Explore the benefits and limitations of using ChatGPT in risk management and internal audit processes. Integrate ChatGPT into risk identification and assessment activities to enhance decision-making. Discover techniques for leveraging ChatGPT in risk mitigation, control design, and internal audit. Learn practical techniques for effectively communicating and documenting ChatGPT-generated outputs to stakeholders. Understand the ethical considerations and challenges associated with using ChatGPT in risk management and internal audit. Gain hands-on experience through practical exercises to apply ChatGPT in real-world scenarios. Sign up with us if you are mad enough. MAD stands for Making a Difference. If your organization wants your employees to gain the knowledge and skills required to integrate ChatGPT into their risk management and internal audit functions, optimizing decision-making and enhancing overall effectiveness. Contact us to know more.